popping, guys? Hope you guys are good. It's your favorite DJ Apex on here. So here with you too, I'm gonna be doing a penalty review for you guys. Yep, a penalty review for you guys. So the past weekend I was at the Celebrity Games. So this time they were hosting it La Zola Sports Facility. So yes, we went there. We watched soccer, me and Lady N. Yeah, it was really nice. It was packed. Everything was like okay. The network with artists was very good. So yeah, comparing these two penalties from Malemon and also Scotts Maphuma. Personally, I feel like the penalty like Malemon really gave like life. He really shot the penalty in a very confident way. Yeah, comparing to Scott's Maphuma, because I feel like Scott was playing on my feelings. He was playing very emotionally. Not to say everything in Kulmagabi, but when comparing these two penalties, like I feel like he was under pressure when he was taking a shot on that penalty. So yeah, I'm gonna play those two penalties for you guys. Yeah, and if you guys have something to say, please send something on the comment section. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe on our channels. So the main channel for what's popping, it's Apex Wave Studios. And then the other main channel, it's Lady N on YouTube. So it's Apex Wave Studios and Lady N on YouTube, guys. Please stay with us, stay in touch with us, because we got some dope content coming ever. We're still gonna drop and drop and drop and drop and drop and drop and drop, okay? Oh yeah, we not done, but it's Sapam.